I bought a box of makeup for 50 bucks. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Magdala. In today's video, I scored big, okay? And I've come to share with you what it is that I score. I got a box of makeup for $50. 50. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out the box and see if I can maybe put them in 2 groups and then go ahead and share with you. Okay, so this is how I kind of set it up. I have foundation here. These are some mascara, powders. All these are primers, blushes, lips, and then we're gonna go over it and see if I made a right purchase or not. I have the box in my hand. It's completely empty. I'm just gonna go and then put what I've shown you back inside the box. All right, let's go. I got 9 foundation. I got this one. It is called Physician Formula Organic Wear. I'm probably not gonna use some of these. I got a NYX foundation. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation. It's the Golden Honey, which is like my shade. So I definitely, and a lot of these, like, they're still sealed, which give me a lot of confidence in those products. I'm definitely gonna be using this. I also got another NYX foundation. It's also in the color Golden Honey. We have another NYX foundation. This is the one. This one is the caramel one, so it's lighter. I have one of the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is very good. I have one that I use now, and this is literally my shade, so I'm super excited. I also have another e.l.f. Halo Glow. I think they're the same shade, so awesome. And then there is the Revolution foundation. It's in the color F8. This is like way too light for me, so I have to find out what I'm gonna do with it, who I'm gonna give it to. There's still 2 of the first one, the Physician Formula, that I am not going to use. I have 5 foundation that I can actually use, which I think is, I want to say, 50 bucks already, if I'm not mistaken. So there you go. Let's keep going. For primers, I got the Glow Day primer. I've never used that before. I don't even know what brand this is, so I'm probably not going to be putting this in my skin. I also have that same Physician Formula. It's a Butter Believe It primer. I have 2 of these. I also have the Wet n Wild Impossible primer. There is the NYX Bright marker. There's also a Wet n Wild, but this one is the Glass Correct. It's a primer and base. We have a primer by Ardell. Never heard of it before. Again, it's kind of like one of these things that I might do a little research on. There's a primer by Revolution. And finally, we have a Wet n Wild. It's a primer serum. In total, it was 9 primers. Probably gonna use like 2 or 3 of them. Alright, so moving on to powders, I got quite a few. I have the e.l.f. HD Power. This is definitely something I might use. I also got another e.l.f. It's a powder foundation. We have the CoverGirl True Blend So Flush powder. Also in the Physician Formula, we have another powder. I have the Physician Formula. Once again, that's another powder from Physician. And another two from the physician. I have a Milani Make It Last setting powder, and then finally for powders, it's the Milani 2 translucent powder. Moving on to blushes, I got 3 blushes from CoverGirl. The first one is 154 Deep Plum, and they call CoverGirl Cheekers. The second one is in the shade 148 Natural Rose. Ooh. And then this one is also 148 Natural Rose. I feel like I will be able to use all of them. I also got the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. This whole time I saw this, guys, I thought it was a blush. Your lips ride or die, bestie. Okay, all right, I got a new lip balm. All right, while we're talking about lips, let's get into these lip glosses. I got 4 lip gloss. This one is Super Stay 24 Hours. It's in the shade 005 Everlasting Wine. All these are the Maybelline Super Stay. This one is in the color 05 Loyalist. Very light, it's like a beige color. This one is in the shade 10 Dreamer. It's like a pinkish color, beige pink kind of thing. It looks pretty. And then this one is 115 Founder. It's like more like a mauve kind of purple color. Moving on to eyes, this one is the Revlon and So Fierce. The color is 701 Blackest Black Noir Intense. I also got a Maybelline mascara. I rarely use mascara, but it's good to have mascara. I also got an e.l.f. Brow Lift. I use that thing every single day, so an extra one, yes please. And then we also got a Revolution Eye Bright. Oh, this is a concealer. I guess we'll just jump in to concealers. I have the NYX Can't Stop Me. Also got the NYX Bear With Me concealer, and then Revlon Color Stay Skin Awakened. And then I also got a NYX Wonder Stick contour. Moving on into eyeshadow, I have this cute little palette. I probably might give this one away. I also have a Love Island Plus by Revolution. It's in a little this kind of container, which is kind of cool, I think. That is pretty. I'm keeping this one. I also have these eyeshadow little stick. I feel like these stickers came to battle with me. This is like a matte green color. Let's see. Wow, it's very pigmented, so maybe I will be able to use it. It's also by e.l.f. I have another one of these eyeshadow. Again, it's by e.l.f. and it's a blue, also like super pigmented. Finally got this eyeshadow palette. It's by Profusion Cosmetic. I've never heard of it. Oh my god, look at this. Can you see this? It's so freaking cute, especially like these. I really like this eyeshadow. I love the colors. I love how it's packaged. Adding it to my collection. This is it. These were more than $50. What I will be using, because I'm not gonna use all of it, is worth the $50. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Mwah.